guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. It's been so long since I last filmed a video, so I decided to do a comeback with like a nail tutorial, which is like my favorite thing to do. I'm always doing my nails, so I thought I would show you guys how I did my nails. I feel like I already nailed down like the technique and everything to do the nails, and I can show you guys what I do exactly so they last super long. Like I've had these already for, I'm doing the intro way after I filmed like the tutorial, and so it's been like a week and they're still looking like pretty good. Like I don't see any lifting or anything like that. And yeah, I'll show you guys like also how these flowers stay on and they don't fall or anything like that. And like I clean and like do a lot of things with my hands, so they still lasting pretty good. So I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the button down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So starting off, these are the nails that I use. These are from Amazon and I'll link them down below for you guys. And I measure the nail tip on my nail, making sure that it covers my whole nail. There's no extra. And then this is the nail glue that I use. I apply like a small drop to the nail tip and then apply it on my nail, starting from the cuticle area and then pushing it through, making sure that it covers my whole nail. I don't go over but past my nail because then it tends to lift and it won't last as long. So just cure it under a light for like 60 seconds. And then repeat the same process for the rest of the nails. Then I go with my electric file and file around the cuticle area, making sure to remove any extra gel that there is and making sure that the nails are even, like they are flat to my nail and looking natural. So then I can move on to this file. These I use it to buff it so that I can apply the gel in any designs that I want on top of a nail. Then I go and file the shape of my nail. I don't really reduce the size for these nail tips. I just make sure that they are like soft and round. Once we have that, we can move on to the design. I apply a base coat, and again, I'll link all of the things down below for you guys. They're from Amazon. And I apply a blue color after the base coat. I apply this light blue gel color to 3 of my nails, and then on the other 2 we're going to be doing some designs. Then for the other 2 nails, I apply a nude gel color. This one again is from Amazon and I'll link it down below. As for the designs, we do kind of like a diagonal shape, and then I fold that out. It doesn't have to be perfect because I am gonna add some flowers at the end, so it doesn't have to be like super perfect. And then again, I cure that before I can apply my rhinestones. So I use like this glue and cover it along the design, and before I cure it, I add my flowers on top. These flowers don't fall at all. Like these glue lasts forever, honestly. Like it's lasted like 2+ weeks already. And then I add some more glue in the center of the flowers so that I can add this little like rhinestone on top and cure that. And then I add some top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and basically that's it. They're super easy, doesn't take that long, and they look really cute. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.